Today was our grand opening of the Ocado Intelligent Automation Solutions Hub here in Dallas. And we hosted about 20 companies, about 40 people came to see our OSRS solution and our AMRs solutions that are here on permanent display. The purpose of the hub here is so that customers can come and physically touch and see the technologies that we offer here, have meetings and really understand how they can bring value to their operations.
Ocado is a UK-based company, and North America is a very key market for us, very important market. And so this is really just a demonstration, putting something in the middle of the country where most of our customers are, very easy access to DFW, really just sort of demonstrates our commitment to this market.
So the great thing about coming to the Solutions Hub, if you want to see Chuck, our AMRs offer, is Chuck is much more impressive when it's moving than it is when it's stationary. When it's stationary, it looks like a shelf, but when it's moving, it completely comes to life. And people can see the potential when it's moving down an aisle to meet a picker or taking a picker down an aisle. And we can do a demonstration here, so potential customers can actually use Chuck, do picking, experience the intuitive user interface. So it makes a world of difference, I think, seeing Chuck working in anger compared to seeing a still photo of Chuck.
So one of the reasons we're really excited about the Solutions Hub is it's a much more intimate experience, right? It's an opportunity for us to really sit down with customers and understand what are their true pain points and what are the problems that they're trying to solve. Mm-hmm. And then we can certainly show them the solutions that we have, but we have a much broader opportunity to collaborate and do some whiteboarding sessions and really figure out what's the right solution for them and how can we maximize our software to make sure that we maximize the output for them.
The software is the smarts. The software does the intricate choreography of the various elements of the solution. It's the software that makes it easy to use for people interacting with the machinery. It's the software that that provides the high-level overview so that you can see that your operation is in good shape, or it can bring to your attention areas that need your attention. And it's been great today to have people here for an extended period of time because we've been able to get to talking about software, whereas when people come to see us at a trade show for a shorter interaction, the conversation tends to be about the whiz-bang hardware. Yeah, so we've been showing people on-grid robotic pick here today and making the point that this isn't a lab project, this is deep in a rollout. Last week alone, we picked 3.2 million individual items using our robots. That number's going to be 5 million by the end of this year per week. That means in 2026, we are going to pick between 250 and 500 million items robotically. I think this is very unusual in the robotic picking world where there's a lot of demos going on and not a lot of real world picking happening.